What up, fellas? Today we are making something a little bit different. Wedgeachos. Wedge nachos. So we're using potato wedges. We're going to be putting these in the air fryer. I'm using store-bought potato wedges that were frozen. You could make these out of potatoes yourself, but I figured we'd do something quite easy to make at home. While our wedges are wedging themselves in the oven, or the air fryer actually I should say, we're gonna chop up our onion and garlic that we're gonna add to the beef mix. Righty. We have desheathed our onion and garlic, unwrapped, nakeified, I don't know what other words you want to use. So we are going to cut these into rough pieces. They're going to be cooking alongside of beef today. We are also using an Paso seasoning packet. Today's dinner is all about simplicity. Our onions are nice and chopped. Put them to the side. And we're going to chop up our garlic. That's enough. We are done. Make sure your oven is preheated to 250 degrees, bro. Got our tabletop Bunsen burner here. We've got 300 grams of minced beef. We are going to cook that down in some olive oil. So we're going to fry this up and then add our onion and garlic in with our seasoning. Our beef, once it looks like this, we're going to throw in our onion and garlic mixture. Woo! We've made a mess. That's alright, I'll clean it later, babe. Alright, give that a nice mix through. Make sure all those flavours are getting to know each other. Now we're not going to add any salt because this packet has plenty of it. As Paso has plenty of the salt. So we're going to put that in there. Put some of the water that we're going to tip this on top of the nachos when they're out of the oven, out of the air fryer, sorry, the wedges. We're going to just ladle this on top with the salsa. And we're going to throw it in the oven with the cheese to melt. Okay, that's a good consistency. I like that. Literally taken me less than 5 minutes. I'm going to cook this a little bit longer. I'm going to reduce the heat. I want to get most of the moisture out of this as possible because we don't want some soggy ass wedges. Moisture control is a big thing, especially if we're going to add some salsa on top of this. Salsa also has some moisture, so we need to bear in mind it's good to reduce it in here if we can't reduce it out of the salsa when we're going to put it in the oven. Shoo! Alright, we've got our meat mixture. I'm just going to go ahead and mix the salsa straight into this so I don't have to pour both of them at separate times. Sweet. Salsa is going on top of the beef. Let's give that a quick taste. Now that is good. I'm so excited. Our wedges are being in the air fryer until they are crispy to the touch. Like I touch them and they're definitely hard. That took about 30 minutes, a bit longer than the package recommended. I want to sort of arrange them so that they have a lot of surface area. Because I feel like when they're sitting down flat like this on top of the tray, I feel like they get soggy with all the stuff that gets put on top of them. So let's do as best as we can. Obviously there's a lot of wedges, but we'll do the best as we can to arrange these. Shut up, air fryer. We'll do the best we can to arrange these. See, the air fryer, listen. You know, we've got an obedient air fryer like that. Alright. Okay, we have our potato wedges all aligned with the planets in the universe. So we're going to just spread some meat mixture all the way around. Now we've got that like that. We are going to add our Mexican mixed cheese. I'm going to just do a waterfall amount. What is a waterfall amount? wish I had that answer for you. Sometimes I just be saying these random ass shit. Beautiful. That is all set up for us. We are going to throw that in our very hot 250-degree oven. It's just going to stay in there till the cheese melts and it gets a bit of color on top, basically. Put that with us. Is it ready yet? Nope. Keep going. Nice. Nice. Okay. We've got the sizzle happening. I'm gonna top it up with a little bit of guac. If you don't know the recipe to this, I've done it in a previous video. Please look it up. It's one of Jose Al Cook's videos. It's really good. It's amazing guac. He sure knows how to make a good guac. I'm gonna just slap that on. No rhyme or rhythm. We're gonna do the absolute same to some of our sour cream. Oh, just tell me that doesn't look like you want to take your clothes off and run into the bushes. Damn! Oop, you go over there, brother. I'm trying to prepare this. Gonna add some of our cilantro. Beautiful. Oh, look at that cheese right there. Look at that cheese. Oh my God, look at that. This is good. That's all I have to say. This is bloody good. Look at that. Good about 40-minute meal on a weeknight. Very simple, very delicious. That's a wrap. See you on the next one.